Hey creators, feeling overwhelmed by website builders? This video shows you how to build a killer portfolio site with the free Google Sites. We'll walk you through everything step by step for a professional look in no time. Let's get started. Sign into the Google Sites using your existing Google account. You can use a blank site template and start creating from the scratch, or you can use their pre-made templates. They have created beautiful and functional templates in different categories. First, let's edit their template. Finally, we will create a blank site with our own creativity. First, give your site a name. You can add logo, add header, also you can change the header type. Explore the site settings. You can change the site navigation. Brand images such as logo. You can add your custom domain, Google Analytics ID for traffic analysis. You can add announcement at the top of your site. You can add links in your announcement. Check the settings and adjust to your requirements. You can insert elements such as text box, images, embed codes, drive files, and many more. Different content blocks are available. In pre-made template, you will find some pre-made pages. You can edit or delete them. Add new page if you need. You can also change the theme. Select one that suits most to your business. When you are ready to publish the site, you have to make sure your web address is unique. You can adjust your privacy settings. You can also allow search engine crawling. You can allow or block search engines. When you are ready, publish your site. Here our site with pre-made template is ready and live. Now I will show you how to create a blank site from scratch. I will use ChatGPT to create a dummy content as example. You should create your own fresh and unique articles. I will use Canva to create and design some images. You can use any graphic software or any web application. So my design is now complete. Let's publish the site. So there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've built a fantastic portfolio website using Google Sites. Now potential employers, clients, or collaborators can easily find out who you are and what you can do. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tech tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.